This is how to find latest updates in Windows 10 or 11. So first thing that you will do is simply go to the start menu over here down below and search for run. And after that, once you are here, just simply search for services.msc and click on OK. And now after that, just simply tap on your keyboard W over here and make sure to click one of these first. And now, after that, just simply scroll down and try to find over here Windows Update. So right click on it. And after that, go to Properties. And from here, click on the Startup type and make sure it is on Automatic. And after that, just simply click on Apply and click on OK. And from there, guys, just simply right click on it and make sure to click on Start over here. So from there, you will always have the latest version of your Windows. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.